Okay, actually, Jenny, we're filming here. Okay, so hi guys. No, Jenny. So for today's video, we are doing.
My sister is.
Right. I'm drawing a Ravenclaw eagle. And Jenny, stop eating birdie box. Thank you very much. You might get a liver one. Okay. And I am going to be drawing a cute eagle with a Ravenclaw scarf.
I think
Because
I got
obviously-
motor oil.
Good job. Because obviously Ravenclaw is the best house. Obviously.
No.
Everybody
Slytherin.
Everybody knows that Ravenclaw is the best house.
Not
so
true.
Comment down below which house is your favorite. It's
No,
definitely
it's
gonna be
Slytherin.
Ravenclaw. Okay, so without further ado, let's go right into the video.
Alright, so you want to start by drawing a rectangle with the point at the end. This would be the beak. After that, you can start forming the head shape. It should sort of look like a flattened out rectangle. You can also add some feather texture. Now you can start drawing the eyes. They should sort of be door-shaped, and the one on the left should be slightly bigger than the one on the right. Don't forget to add those eye shines. Now you can start drawing the top of the scarf. After that, you can start drawing the sides and the overall shape of the scarf. I made the sides curvy to give it a baggy look. At this point, you can start drawing the wing. Make sure to use those feathered strokes again. Now you can start drawing the bottom end of the scarf. Make sure that the ends are frayed. Oh yeah, and that was my sister. Now use the same feathered technique to draw the tail. Now you can start drawing the claws. They sort of look like loaves of bread, if you know what I mean. Now draw the crease in the scarf. This will be the darkest part. Start drawing the stripes on the scarf. Make them congruent to the scarf side. to do it on the bottom part of the scarf too. To draw a heart because this eagle looks so cute. Today I'm going to use a thin Sharpie to trace. So basically today we're going to be using the 72 Prismacolor set. Today we will be using black, light umber, burnt ochre, pink, white, ultramarine, true blue, dark brown, and goldenrod. Okay, so now you can start the base layer with true blue. Make sure to go darker around the tips and in the crease that we created earlier. Now I'm going in with ultramarine to darken up the crease. I'm going back in with true blue to blend everything out. This time, I'm going in with goldenrod and adding in the stripes. Make sure to only do them on the sides and leave white in the middle. After you're done with that, go back in with the true blue and fill in the white. I'm using burnt ochre to go in to the neck and the bottom of the head to add shadows. Go over it again with dark brown to add more depth and dimension. I'm going to speed this up so that it won't be too boring for you guys. To do the eyes, I'm using size 0.03 lead drawing pen. Just color everything except for the white highlight. Now I'm just using the same colors and technique I used for the head to finish the body. Make sure to color in your little heart. And this is the final product. Cute, isn't it?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the other 3 houses drawings, Slytherin. That will be coming out very soon. Comment down below what house you are in.
Slytherin!
You're obviously in Ravenclaw.
No,
so
you
don't have to comment anyways. We all know that you're Slytherin.
No.
Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. And also, huge shout out to subscriber Wildman Aiden. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'll see you guys next time doing Slytherin. Bye!